Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you again with another video. Another watch review video. I picked up another OLEVS watch. Actually, I picked up three OLEVS watches, but this is going to be the first of three that I'm going to review for you guys today. And you guys know I'm a big fan of OLEVS watches. They're very nice. They're classy looking. They have a lot of nice styles, a lot of interchangeable designs, and they're really budget friendly, so you can amass a very nice watch collection in a very short amount of time. So the first watch I'm going to review is going to be, actually, I'm just going to go through what I purchased in my last OLEVS haul right now, and then we'll go into a review video for each one of these. So this is an OLEVS that's, I believe, supposed to be an homage to the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, or maybe a day date. I don't know. I would have to look again. But I really like this one. It's got that really nice shiny face. Um, it's got the faux diamonds in the, for the time. Once again, same OLEVS quality, same watch company. They make really nice watches. They're good quality. The bands are nice, and I'm really a big fan of the OLEVS watches. This watch really, I've worn this one out actually twice since I got it last week, and I really love this watch. It's really nice. I've gotten quite a few compliments on this watch, so I will post a link in the description for this watch for you guys, so you guys can head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up. But yeah, definitely a nice watch. I will do an in-depth review on this after I, get all these, show you guys what I purchased here. So stay tuned to my other videos. Subscribe, like, and yeah, just hit that thumbs up for me. Also, on this last order, I picked up one of these. This is also an OLEVS watch. You can see they're really nice quality. I mean, you can just see the quality on these things. Just they're heavy duty, they're nice, they all work, they all do what they're supposed to do. They even go as far as putting the crown logos on. They've got, the back. I mean, look at that. It's nice. It's really good quality. Once again, I will post a link to this watch in the description, and I'm also going to do a review on this video at a later date, so stay tuned in the channel. And this was the third OLEVS watch that I purchased on this last watch haul. This one, I'm gonna have to say, is probably one of my favorite watches. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love this watch. This is another OLEVS watch. It's got the it's a butterfly clasp and black band, black bracelet. It's black with black and gold. All the subdials are working. This is a really nice watch. I don't know what it is about it that I love so much, but for some reason, I just love this watch. So I will post a description. I'll post a link in the description for this video, so you guys can head on over to Amazon and pick one of those guys up. And so that was my last OLEVS haul that I got, were those three watches. Like I said, I will be doing a watch review video for each one, and posting a link in the description for you guys to pick one up. So that's that one. And those were the three that I got in my last OLEVS haul. And if you know anything about any of these watches that I haven't gone over, whether this is supposed to be an Oyster Perpetual homage, or it's supposed to be a day date or a date just, or what, I haven't really looked a ton at it, at what it resembles. So if you got any information on that, let me know. Let me know if this is supposed to resemble any watches. I don't know if I've ever seen a watch that looks like this. So if you've seen a watch that looks like this that you think this is supposed to pay homage to or mimic, leave that in the description for me, because I'd love to know. if this is a copy of a higher end watch. So let me know if you've seen this before and what it would mimic. This one could also represent a Rolex Daytona. I don't know. I'd have to look closely at the pictures. But anyhow, those were the 3 watches that I got on my last OLEVS haul, and I'm happy with every single one of them. And Shrody is too. Right, buddy? So if you like these videos and you want to see them keep on coming, keep the likes coming in, keep the subscribes coming in, and subscribe to the channel, keep the likes coming in, and comments. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff. And I'll keep coming out with these videos for you. I've got a few more watches on the way. I'm going to do reviews on the ones that I have. And I've also got a shine haul that I'm going to go over. Got a lot of interesting stuff coming up on here. So you guys want to stay tuned. So till the next time, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.